In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an X in Figma. Open your design file and navigate to the spot where you want the X to appear. It helps to zoom in a bit so you can place things precisely and see the edges clearly as you work. Start by drawing the first line. You can use either the pen tool by pressing P or the line tool by pressing L. Click and drag across the canvas to create a horizontal line and make sure to hold down Shift while you draw. Holding Shift keeps the line perfectly horizontal, which gives you a clean base before we rotate it. Release the mouse when you are happy with the length. Next, select the line and look to the right-hand sidebar under the Design section. Find the rotation field and set it to 45 degrees. This tilts your horizontal line into a crisp diagonal. While you are still in the Design panel, scroll to the Stroke section. Adjust the stroke weight to a lighter value that suits your layout. And change both the start and end points to round. Rounded ends remove sharp corners and give the X a smoother, more polished look, especially at smaller sizes. Now duplicate this line by pressing Ctrl D. The duplicate appears directly on top of the original, which is exactly what we want. With the duplicate still selected, go back to the rotation field and change it to -45 degrees. You should now see the two lines crossing to form an X. If they don't look perfectly centered yet, we'll fix that in the next step. Select both lines together. You can shift, click each line on the canvas or drag a small selection box around them. With both selected, use the alignment tools to align them horizontally and vertically. Choose Align Horizontal Centers and Align Vertical Centers, so the two lines intersect at their exact centers. This ensures the X is symmetrical and visually balanced. To keep everything organized, group the two lines into a single object. With both lines still selected, press Ctrl G on Windows. Grouping lets you move, resize, or duplicate the X later without misaligning the strokes. If you need different sizes, scaling the grouped X will keep the proportions consistent. That's it. Thanks for watching.